So you're trying to get $500 beat sales, but you don't know where to start. Here's what you're missing. You need to know what a high ticket beat funnel looks like, and it involves 3 steps. The first step to selling beats high ticket is lead generation. Find smaller artists on Spotify and start reaching out to them. Whenever they respond back, that is a lead generated. The second phase in the business is lead nurture, and this is a 2-step process for me. First, you want to message them very casually and just ask them questions. Second, you want to ask them to get onto an IG audio call with you for 30 minutes so that they can know, like, and trust you enough to be sold to. Third step is sending them over a form first that financially qualifies whether they have a budget and can move forward on the call. If they do, take the Zoom call and sell to them on that call. Last note is that you do want to charge 500 or more so that you can scale this business up fast and take advantage of the time that you're putting into it. This is exactly what I teach my students to get to 3,000 plus a month. Comment the money bag emoji below if you want me to teach you one-on-one how to make $3,000 in the next 16 weeks.